Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today I have this phone, the Redmi 8A it just arrived on my doorstep, so let's get the unboxing started. Okay, so let's check around the box. Wrap, it's pretty clean. So let's cut it open. Oh. Okay. Let's see what's inside here. SIM ejector and user manual, and apparently it's in this shape. Okay. And then let's put that aside. The device itself, there's no pull tab. I wish they have a tab. Oh, I got the blue. Wow, this is actually really nice. And it's quite big, but it's not that as big as I thought. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay. Charging brick. It's a standard 5V charging brick. And USB to USB-C. That's for the unboxing video for today, and remember to like and subscribe. And I'll be doing a review pretty soon for this phone, really soon. And honestly, I really like the blue color. It's wow. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell button as well so you get notified every single time I upload. This is Mark here, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!